There's been litigation between the IID and Mike Abadi over who holds the water rights for the Imperial Valley.
A battle for water rights has raged locally for over 7 years. That fight might have come to its end with a historic victory for Imperial Irrigation District.
The appellate court has determined that the water rights are held by IID for the people of the Imperial Valley.
IID says it brings equality to all water users.
If you are a young entrepreneur and your business needs water, you have the same standing as the biggest landowner and/or farmer in the Imperial Valley. That means that there is no special class of users. All water users are the same. All water users are created equal, and that means that water is for all of us, not just some of us.
Residents and local industry rallied in support of IID.
Local unions, which consisted of electricians, pipe fitters, plumbers, carpenters, entities that are geothermal generators, solar generators, some farmers as well. The Attorney General for California submitted an amicus brief to support IID's position.
This judgment could mean an economic boom for the area.
There's been a lot of inquiries by a lot of industries that have opted to select the Imperial Valley to expand in, but due to the uncertainty that there was in regards to water supplies, they were holding back. Due to this decision, I believe they will now move forward, and that could potentially mean millions of dollars of development and thousands of jobs for the Imperial Valley.
Ortega feels justified in IID's legal battle.
It was very challenging, and there was a lot of pressure that we not do that, but I think now it's fair to say that IID was right in appealing this decision, that at times was criticized by the costs related to it.
Ortega warns residents of possible future attempts against water rights.
So it's very important that when you go out to vote for your local IID director in your respective division, that you consider that fact. Who are you voting for? Are you voting for someone that has the Imperial Valley's interests at heart? And what I mean by that is all water users, all ratepayers. Or are you voting for somebody that has the interests of a small group of landowners who wish to own the water so that they can monetize it?
The court says each party has to pay for its own legal fees, which might run around $3 million, a small price to pay if it ensures the future of thousands of families in Imperial Valley.
It's always been IID's position that water is a public resource, and it belongs to all of us, not just some of us. And it's important for its role in life and its role in economic development and for the future of the Imperial Valley.